Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about my 5 favorite websites for making money currently. So this is similar to the apps video, top 5 apps video, in which the list I created last year is outdated. So this is my current list of websites that I like a lot. A lot of these you'll find in my routine video as well, just like a lot of the apps you'd find there. And then of course, if you want information about any of these, I have dedicated videos on all of them. I'll leave links in the description for information as well as signups. This list will be fairly quick though, since there's 5 of them. I just want to explain them briefly. All other details about them though, you'll have to go to the description. So pretty standard on that part, and I'll go ahead and get started with the list. So the first one on here is Earnably. Earnably is a very nicely designed website that pays you. There's many things you can do on it. You can watch videos, do offers. The particular thing I like about Earnably is their rates. They have some of the best rates for things such as Engage Me TV, video loyalty, and other providers that they have on the website. There are many rewards to pick from on Earnably. They have PayPal and Amazon, notably the things I like the most. And once you cash out enough, you become a trusted user and you'll get your payments instantly. The next website on the list that I really like using is Earnhoney. I've been using this for a while. They have many ways to earn on Earnhoney. A lot of them are passive. You can watch videos using Earnhoney. There's also an app for these types of things, such as Super Pop Quiz and TV Glee I talked about in the top 5 apps video. The only rewards they offer on Earnhoney are PayPal and Amazon, and it's not instant. However, they have PayPal, Amazon, and a Visa gift card, which you can use just as regular cash, so I'm happy with the rewards on that front. The third website on this list is another tried and true website that I've been using for a long time, and that's Swagbucks. You can do so many different things to earn on Swagbucks. It's a huge website to earn money, and there are tons of rewards on Swagbucks. The rewards are not instant, but I'll usually get it within 1 to 2 days, so not as quick as Earnably, but quicker than Earnhoney. Really not a whole lot explaining to do with Swagbucks. I think most of you have heard of this one before. The fourth one on the list is a fairly new one called KoinMe. This has been around for about a year, and it is a passive paid-to-view website, and I was debating whether to put it on the list. They were having issues with their payment time recently, but I have been paid everything in the past 2 months I've been using it. Just the 2 months before 2 months ago, there was some problem where they were not paying as well. However, they are paying now. They don't offer any cash redemptions. However, they have gift cards such as Best Buy and Amazon. I almost always redeem Amazon on this website. It's similar to other pay-to-view websites I've looked at in the past. The last one on this list is GrindABook, and GrindABook is one that's fairly new to me as well. I've been using, and on GrindABook, it's pretty similar to Earnably and the providers they have. They have very good rates too. I think they're very competitive with Earnably's rates. GrindABook provides Amazon and PayPal, and their payments are instant for me. You do have to verify, however, before you cash out with GrindABook. So that is my current top 5 list for websites that pay you. If you guys find any other websites you really like for earning, you can let me know below. I'm always welcome to new suggestions. We're always trying to find new ways to make money. And as I said, if you want any information about any of these, I have all these listed in the archives as well as videos about them. So I'll link any videos below that provide you with more resources on how to earn with these, as well as the archive section for technical details on the websites. I don't put TheTechSlugs on here as an earning website, but you can actually earn on TheTechSlugs. I would feel weird about putting my own website on a list, but TheTechSlugs Rewards is still having a promotion for the Engage Me TV videos, as well as the S'mores TV videos and Video Labs technically. It's just 10 points for 3 watches, and 1,000 points equals $1. So you can check out that as well if you want. I'll leave a link below. Synced Rewards is also still a work in progress, another website that I'm working on with Florian. And with Synced Rewards, you remember it's a Bitcoin earning website. It tracks the value of the Bitcoin to try and get you the most points, but I'll leave a link here if you want to try that. Then also I'm working on a feature for the TechSlugs that should be done by the end of September, a fairly interesting feature that you also be able to use to earn on the TechSlugs. But that's it from my end, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. But in the meantime, have fun making money. Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.